Hi there, I'm Andy Knight. I'm the Aircraft Operations Manager at Heathrow, and we're here today to set a new Guinness World Record for the heaviest aircraft to be towed over 100 metres by a team of people in wheelchairs. And the aircraft we'll be towing today is a British Airways Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner, weighing almost 130 tonnes, and the current record we're trying to beat, 67 tonnes. But we're here for a great reason, which is to support a charity called Aerobility. It's a charity that supports disabled people who want to learn to fly and puts them behind the controls of an aircraft. That's what it's all about. That's why we're here, and we're looking forward to smashing that record today.
We work with Andy Knight, who's an inspirational guy to me, someone who was able-bodied and is now not. The challenges he faces, so for us to kind of live in his shoes for a little bit is quite humbling. So yeah, really amazing opportunity to be part of something this big. I'm nervous, yeah. I think we all maybe came in with the element of that, yeah, it's just, you know, it's going to be fine. But actually when you see it behind you, you realise this is actually an amazing kind of feat that we're going to take on. And you see some of the people in there that have kind of real disabilities and, you know, the challenge that they're going through. So yeah, it's going to be tough, but we're going to do it.
See, I'm still trying to get my breath back. We made it look easy. We got up and running really quickly. The aircraft started moving almost immediately, which is amazing. I thought we'd be struggling for a while to get it underway. But once we got underway, it was easy at first, but about a third of the way in, I started to feel the burn. And I was like, we've got to push for the line. It's all over, we're world record holders. How about that?